Hey Cynthia, this is Lucas here. I'm with Purple Room Marketing. We're a digital marketing agency, and I happen to be making some research on your area, and I came across your website. So I figured I would shoot you this short video of 3 tips on how can you start beating your competition online. I want to keep it nice and short because I don't want to waste your time or mine either. So please, if you like what you see, just get back to me and we can chat. Okay? So these 3 tips are content, citations, and backlinks. Okay. Content would be all the content that is on your website. So all the text, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved as well with what is behind the pictures. All those are things that the search engine can read. Okay. And once they do that, they figure what kind of business you are, what services do you offer, and all that. And what they like to see is a lot of keyword rich authoritative content. Okay. And that way they gives you the trust and the power to rank higher on Google. Okay. That would be one of the main things if you want to be on the first results when somebody looks for a term. Okay. I see you guys have some content over here already. So we'll just make sure that all that content is keyword rich oriented. Okay, so when somebody looks for podiatrist Miami or foot doctor Miami or stuff like that, you would pop on the first result. All right. Then second one would be citations. Usually when you look for something like for a service like Podiatrist Miami, for example, usually what you see is this. You see a map, some results here, then the organic results right here, and most of the times you see some ads as well on the top. So the ads are good. Sometimes though, because some people had bad experiences with them or they had ad blocks on their browser, which nowadays is pretty common, they won't even see the ads. Okay. So that's where they're a little bit of a hit and miss. Sometimes they were really good, but sometimes they don't. Okay. But talking about citations, we're going to focus on this part right here. This is the MacPack, the Google My Business. All right. And a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in directories throughout the web, the same way as you submitted it in Google. Okay, so in order to be on the top here, you will need more citations than the first person. To do that, you'll have some tools that we can check how many citations they have, okay, and we'll just build more than them, at least 50 to 100 more, so that way it will be really, really, really hard for them to catch up with us, as long as we keep checking it on a regular basis, okay? So when they start building more, we start building more, and so on and so forth. Citations would also help you rank on the organic results, which are the ones that get the main share of the business, okay? But they're not that important as content or backlinks, for example, for this aspect. Content of backlinks are more strong for that. And basically, a backlink, which is the next thing that I want to talk about, is your website mentioned in another website that when you click it, it directs you back to your website. So talking about that, if I take your website and I put it on Ahrefs, which is a tool that we use that kind of gives us an idea of how your business is doing online, okay? I can see that the power and trust that Google gives you is this over here, which is slow, but it's good. You know, this is something that it goes up as soon as you start building more citations, a healthy backlink profile, content, and all that stuff, all right? So that's nothing to worry about much right now. What I can see here is that you have 6 referring domains with 7 backlinks, okay, on those 6 domains, and that make you rank for 247 keywords, which brings you around 13 people a month on organic traffic. So once you click here, you see the keywords you're ranking for. A lot of them they're like not even in English, so nobody's finding you for those keywords. All right. If you go for volume, as you see, you want to be found for terms like foot doctor, Miami podiatrist, stuff like that, that a lot of people is looking, okay, for, and that way you would get results, okay. When somebody looks podiatrist Miami, if you're ranking for that word, you would be showing on the top of Google. If you see the competition here, For example, to make a simple example, Edward Bustamante, when you look Podiatrist Miami, is the first guy that shows up. Okay, so his website, same, some pictures, some content, nothing super special, but he has it right. So this is the power and trust that Google gets him. 24 referring domains with 61 backlinks in it. These backlinks probably are pretty powerful since he's ranking on the first result, and he's ranking for 165 keywords. All this is bringing him 310 people every single month. And if you go check here, you see that Miami Podiatrist Miami, Food Doctor Miami, Miami Podiatrist, Podiatrist in Miami, Podiatrist Miami, Florida. All this is a lot of people looking for it. 700 a month, 150 a month, 100 a month, and he's always on the first page, the first result, second, first. So he's getting all the business online. Everybody, most of the people that look for those terms online, they're going to his website. So all these are potential patients. Okay. And talking about the backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal. Okay. It's not the same that your website is mentioned on a backlink, on another website that talks about cars or clothes or food. Okay, than if it's mentioned in a scientific article that regarding podology, or it's mentioned in another doctor's website saying that you're a good professional and they work with you or that they trust your work or stuff like that. When it's on the same niche, Google takes it as way more strong and powerful. Okay, so we would like to, so the thing is you want to build a healthy, strong backlink profile with the kind of backlinks that I just mentioned. Make some content reaching the keywords that people are looking for regarding your services and your business, and make a lot of citations. So that way you could be found on the top right here or on the top of the Google results. And with that, that's all I have for you today. If you like what you heard and what you've seen, and you think I have the knowledge to help you, please let me know and we can chat. If not, I would love you to use this information for free to start growing your business online and beating your competition. The only thing I would ask for is if you can leave me a little review or a comment, that would be much appreciated. Thank you very much.